you are used to taking loans in Nigerian apps, 5,000 there, 2,000 that side, 10,000 from this one, and you delete the apps afterwards without paying back, I shock you. They have blacklisted you, but you don't know yet. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to check your credit score to know if you are owing any bank. You might have even forgotten. Banks where you don't forget, where you don't borrow money from since 5 years ago, and you have already forgotten about it. I'll show you how to check your credit score to know each bank you are owing and how to clear up your credit score. See, you think it's a play because credit scores are not serious in Nigeria. Right now, in 2025, it is very serious because every bank is linking together so that even if you are owing and you have not paid from this app, once you put money in another app or in another bank, they will debit it from that bank, not the bank you borrow from. So you might be owing from 2020, 25, any year sha, that you started borrowing and you have not paid and you deleted the app and you forgot. 2025, 2026, they will take that money from your current accounts, your current bank account that you're using, and you'll be like, wetin happen? You don't know that these banks are now connecting themselves and taking back the loans from years back. So watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you different sites that can help you check your credit scores. Right, I'll show you every site, then you can decide on the ones you like or you prefer to use. But then if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share this video. If you are a returning subscriber and you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for, bro? I mean, subscribe and let's grow this page together, right? So let's go. So first things first, I'll show you all the sites where you can check your credit scores in. Then I'll go ahead and show you how it works, right? So you are here in CRC, that's Credit Bureau Limited, in association with Don and Bradstreet. So here you can check your credit score if you are in Nigeria. Then just go over here where you see CRC score with individual. This one, not this ones. This one, you're interested in this individual. Then just click it up and let it load. So once you open up, just scroll here and you see, okay, they say this CRC score is a 3-digit number ranging from 300 to 850. That summarizes how risky it is for a lender or creditor to grant credit to a prospective borrower or customer. The lower the credit score, the higher the level of riskness or probability that the customer may default in payment. So basically, over 800, if it's up 300, if it's 300, that means they shouldn't borrow you money. If it's 850 over 850, that means it's excellent and perfect. So you see, the lower it is, it means no one should borrow you, but the higher it is, it means you are good to go. So in the case that your customer's credit status is either excellent, good, average, or poor, therefore the higher the credit score, the lower the risk of associated with the prospective borrower or customer repaying or defaulting. Lenders and creditors often use the CRC score for various risk assessment purposes, ranging from market expansion, pre-qualification of customers, to credit evaluation. The CRC scores was developed in collaboration with the Fair Isaac Corporation (FICO), an American company with over 50 years of experience in data and analytics. So over 100 billion FICO scores have been sold to date in more than 90 countries, making it the most widely used credit score in the world. So you can see that these things apply even here in Nigeria, and even when you travel, it follows you. Your credit score follows you anywhere you go because the data is analyzed by top professionals, right? So add to carts, then go to carts. That's basically how they set up their site. So just follow it up. Now, if you already have accounts, which I guess you don't, you log in here. But if you don't have, then go over to sign up. So customer registration, create your account and get your free credit reports. Now this one offers free credit reports, but there are others that you pay, but it's not much, like 300 to 400 naira, depending on which one. So even carbon, you can check in carbon so as well. So it's like 300 to 400 naira. Even Wema alert, there's still option to check it there. So you can choose anyone you like. I'm not showing the options you have available. Then first name, surname, individual. Remember, you are an individual, not a corporate or business. Then put your email address. Now, another thing people in Nigerians are skeptical about is putting a BVN in sites. So for me, best of my knowledge, BVN can use to hack your account. Your BVN is just a bank identification number, it's not your bank itself. It's just your name that verifies you and shows that you are a Nigerian, basically, and you can bank with Nigerian banks. So BVN, I don't see any link with it taking money out of your account. So, but Nigeria have that mindset that if you use your BVN in any site, they can scam you with it. So I don't know. But here is a requirement because you can't check it without your BVN. And if you check your loan apps, that's PamPay, OPay, anywhere taking loan from, you must put your BVN. So that's why I'm saying that if you are borrowing from one bank, maybe ages ago, they can take it now because your BVN is connected to all the banks you are opening. Before you open a bank, you put your BVN. Right? And remember now, they're talking about TIN. That's your thing. That's tax basically. So more banks, more things are taking shape in Nigeria, which means everything is going digital and you can't hide anymore. So if you are taking loan from years back, bro, they will collect that from you, right? So you put your BVN, put your phone number, password, and create an account. It's as simple as that. Now let me show you the other one. This one is free. Like the first one you do is free, then the rest is paid. So let me show you this one. So they still have First Central, right? First Central credit score CRC stuff. So this one now you can see how it is. So this is how the interface is. Basically, if you log in, remember what we read there, the instructions we read there, they said the lower the credit score is, the more bad you are in repaying your loans. So lenders can't give you money because you're terrible at paying back. But the higher it is, that means you are in excellent shape and they can give you back and expect you to pay back. So now you can see the credit score. This is 690 out of 850, right? It is a bit low, but still there. Now, one lender has blacklisted you. You missed 11 payments in the last 6 months. So this, if you check your credit score, they show you every loan app you have borrowed money from, how many they are, how many they have blacklisted you. That's blacklisting is basically reporting you that you are not good to pay your loan backs. So they are blacklisting you to other banks to not to lend you money again, right? So that's basically what blacklisting means. Check other reports. Lender name has possibly blacklisted you on the credit score bureaus. Check your reports in the other bureau to find out. So you can check other ones. Like I told you, there are various ones you can check. That's I listed. I talked about CRC, right? I talked about First Central. This is First Central. Then there's Pebble Score. Pebble Score. You can use Pebble Score. There's Alert by Wema. You can check there. Carbon also, you can check your carbon. If you have carbon, you can check in carbon as well. So you can check in these places to know if this is accurate. And but I assure you it's accurate. Immediately with your BVN, it shows all this stuff. Now, if you have Pebble Score reports, which you can download on Play Store, right, you can check all the other credit score bureaus inside of it, right? Like this report is from First Central, but the app is called Pebbles Score Reports, right? So there you can download it on Play Store and check it out. So if you search for your credit score, it show you the reports across other credit bureaus individually, like other ones that you can check individually. You see the report inside the Pebble Score app. So it brings all of them together inside this app, and it can help you check it right. So if you click on View My Credit Score Reports, you will see your credit report. Switch between credit bureaus to see what was reported by each of them. So you see First Central, you see Credit Registry, you see the CRC I talked about earlier. So you see all of them and you can switch in between them and see the reports from them. So your credit score report, this one is from First Central, like I told you. You have 5 bad loans. They will tell you the loans you have that you haven't paid, bro, straight up. So you have five bad loans reported by First Central. You may never be able to obtain loans from licensed lenders again. So this will help you know where you stand, bro. So you start paying off these loans for your life. Oh, you understand? So you won't be one day and you see debit. I will be like, ah, what happened? They are taking it back. Or if you want to travel out of the country, you don't even forget say you borrow money. So once you want to travel out, they will be like, see, oh, you dey owe this, you can't leave this country without paying up. You understand? Because this is linked to your BVN forever until you pay it up. And most people don't even know. So you see the factors impacting you: 5 bad loans, 3 missed payments. So, bro, if you don't pay this up or clear it up, you will be you'll be free from all this stuff. You understand? So you see your credit repair history, right? So your credit repair, track your credit repair progress every month. So if you start paying these loans back, you understand? Outstanding balance, you see outstanding balance, you see monthly payment, you see next payment date. You see some are far back as 2023, 2022, depending on when you're owing them, right? So if you start paying back, you will see the repair here. And if you start paying back, the credit score will start going up. You start going up until you repair your problems finish. Because why I say it's problem is because it's a problem until it is fixed. Because if you don't fix this, and remember, most of these loan apps keep increasing the interest rates. Don't worry, in the next video I'll show you the challenges people have with these loan apps. You borrow 10,000 naira at the end of a month, you don't pay back before December. Eh, you see over 100 something thousand naira, and you say I'm not paying back, and you delete the app, bro. You are still owing them. You are still owing them. The interest will keep increasing. One day you see 1 million naira, right? So this is terrible. So just see you see the repair, bro. Bad debts, you start paying it up, pay by monthly or instrumentally until you clear up your debts, and your credit score will be up to 850 again. No bad energy, right? So once you pay off finish everything you are owing, you start building your credit history again. So once you but you can even get up to 890 to 1,000, right? So it will boost your credit score if you start paying up, and you start paying up in time, like the month you chose you want to be paying back, and you start paying up every time, every month, until you pay it up, then your credit score history will go up over 890. As you can see, your credit score may have stayed the same, but your access to credit hasn't. Your credit score went up by 0 points. Trust the process, keep boosting. So you see reasons why we have 0 points. You see number of boosts done. You see next booster day. So basically, once you clear up your debt, then you start boosting it up, and your credit history will be back to normal. But it will take time because you're already a bad debtor. But it will take time, but it will surely go up, and every bad energy will be gone from your life. You have peace of mind, bro. So then you see loan offers as well in the app. So based on your credit report, you can access the following loans. Personal loans, they will show you amount you can borrow. So some loan apps you don't even know them, right? Some people think it's the loaning NC Lapo, GoPay, and PamPay. There are loan apps that can borrow you as much as 300 to 500,000 naira. But then it's based on your credit score. So you can see Fair Money, Ocas, Easy Money, where you can borrow money, and they show you how much you can earn from them. So loan range is 300 to 500,000. Duration is 1 to 12 months. Loan interest is 17 to 56% interest per month. So now you can apply through this place. That is very simple, right? So you can apply through this place if your credit score is good, and they know you can pay back, right? But if you start defaulting, the credit score start dipping and going below 600, then you know you are in deep trouble. So that's basically it, right? If you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed and you watched up to this point, please do subscribe and share, and watch my next video. Please watch my next video. So if you have outstanding loans and debts from banks you don't even remember, right? I'll tell you for free that you are still owing them and the interest is still increasing, and you need to figure that out ASAP. So my next video I'll be explaining how these people exploit Nigerians and how you can avoid it. So please subscribe, turn on the bell notification for my next video, and yeah, let's go.